see all those red chairs that I was talking about earlier are from there. These are people's cars and trucks that were flooded that are getting towed. This is the Sea Gypsy Inn. It's gone. Bicycle rental place. This was where Heavenly Biscuit was. That'll never be there again. Terry's favorite Royal Scoop, gone. This was a convenience store, gone. Everybody's things are getting toted and carted. There's a house, oh, that's the Shamrock. All of this is just gone. Alright, we're looking for see. Can we go down Carolina too, just to see? We're coming to check on a friend. This is a new street. This is Pearl Street. It's everybody's life is just. This is a friend of ours. Used to be house. She doesn't seem to be there, so we're gonna go back. We're gonna check on another property that some friends want to see what happened to their house. Anyway, this is utterly indescribable.